Good morning everyone, I am Ruthvika. Today I am so excited because today is my first recipe video and today my recipe is healthy banana and nuts milkshake. First we are going to I am going to tell you what are the ingredients. So first you need to take one dried banana and here is it. I pour it into the blender. Next step, you can take one cold milk and then you can take any kind of nuts that you like the most and soak it into warm water to 15 to 20 minutes, and here I put it. For sweetness and flavor, you can take dates or honey, any one of them. Now I'm going to show how to make it. So now I put the banana inside, the peeled banana. Now I need to put the milk inside. Next, you can put the dates and the nuts inside. Now we need to blend it and don't forget, adults should not leave kids to grind it because it's so dangerous and kids will hurt themselves. So adults can help it. Now we close it. So now I'm going to say the healthy benefits. Let me put it. Okay. So the healthy benefits are banana, energy booster, and nuts, healthy fats and protein. Milk, calcium and vitamin D. No added sugar. Natural sweet. Thank you. And the smoothie is going to be ready right now. Just wait for a while. My mommy is grinding it. So the smoothie, and after it's grinded, I'll show how the smooth texture will be. So let's wait for a while. After my mommy grind it, I'll show you. It will be so nice. And here is it. The healthy one is already. You see it. It's so nice. And see this milkshake. I love it so much. Now we can put into some glasses. Just pour it so. Yes. Now I'm going to drink it. It's so tasty and yummy. You should try it. And thank you for saying it is good.